If you look how fast technology is accelerating, we talk about it all the time. What about the model of leadership and the culture? Does anybody seriously believe that the model that got us to where we're at today, which is command and control, is going to take us into the future?
If you work in any of these industries where your validation cycle is, multiple years, such as aerospace, automotive, and the industry is being pushed to shrink the cycle times, you have to accept the change and you have to figure out a way to cope with it and to make it happen.
Multiple 100+ modules in the car, 150 million lines of code, software residing on different modules within the vehicle. So to take that and convert that to an SDV approach, which separates the software and the hardware, it makes the software define the customer experience. It's updatable and with both features and quality improvements built, and this is very important, on a very efficient electrical architecture.
And I think there's a awareness now that the software experience in the vehicle is really the defining factor of what people buy. And the auto companies are really realizing that this is a huge differentiator.
When you start looking at emerging technology, you have industries that are connected. Mobility industry is one thing, but it includes intelligent transportation. It includes intelligent infrastructure, vehicle electrification. It includes how the networks communicate. When you start looking at those complex systems, there's very specific skill sets that it takes for people to be able to not only install and understand the systems, but also maintain them.
If you survey leaders of this industry, I don't care, the majors, the suppliers, whoever, and you ask them the single thing that is gating their ability to grow, their ability to build their business, it's talent. It's always talent. And yet, talent is the only thing that we treat as a hunting-gathering problem.
I started my job out working on the line. I was a manufacturing engineer. The time I had to spend with people on the floor, understanding their issues, respecting their work, it's a different level of appreciation.
Carl Anthony amplifies the minds and voices behind this historic transformation as the host of AutoVision News Radio.
Mic check 1, 2.
All while coming to terms with middle age, father loss, and what it means to be successful in Detroit.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you are in the world, welcome and thank you for joining us. My name is Carl Anthony, and this is AutoVision News Radio Live at AutoSense and In-Cabin.